Yes, look at page number 34, question number 5. I'm solving 5 on the board, then 4 you will try on your own. Then we'll take up with financing activities. Question 5, from the following information, calculate cash flows from investing activities of Sun Limited. Look at adjustment 1. A machine costing 25,000, having accumulated depreciation of 15,000, sold for 12,500. Underline sold for 12,500. Mark it as I plus, means investing activities inflow. Okay, I plus means we'll take it as inflow in investing activities, right? Now we used to do this workings in last chapter to find the profit or loss. Raise your hand, how will you find the profit or loss? How did you get it? Profit of 2,500. Okay, this workings we used to do in the last chapter also. Let us work you. Cost of machine sold is 25,000 minus accumulated depreciation of machine sold is 15,000, means the book value of machine sold or WDV, written down value of machine sold is 10,000. Now it is sold for 12,500. So what is the profit on sale of machine? 2,500. What would be the effect of this profit? Profit O minus. In operating activities we have to subtract it. There is no effect here. Right now we have to do only investing activities. So no effect in investing activities, but in ledger account it will come. In the ledger account it will come when we have to find the balancing figure. Is everyone clear with it? But otherwise in cash flow statement, what is the effect of profit? O minus. We minus it in cash flows from operating activities. It's a non-cash income. Now see, above information, machinery, do you see at cost? And below that accumulated depreciation. So machinery at cost marked as ledger account. Why would we make machinery's ledger account? To find purchase of machinery. Okay? We have to make machinery's ledger account to find purchase of machinery. We have to make it at WDV or at cost? At cost. So second working note will be machinery account. Now this we have practiced a lot in the last chapter at cost as well as at WDV. So Arpan, opening balance of 2,50,000 will come on debit side. To balance brought down 2,50,000. Closing balance will come credit side, by balance carried down 2,62,500. What amount? Yes. Now, when you make it at cost, then which depreciation do you write on credit side? Accumulated depreciation of asset sold. And when you make it at WDV, which depreciation comes on credit side? Current year's depreciation. This is at cost. So by accumulated depreciation of the assets sold, that is 15,000 out. You can see in the first adjustment for the buy bank, sale will come on credit side, buy bank account with sale of 12,500. What else? Profit of 2,500 will come on debit side to profit and loss account, in bracket profit 2,500. Now whatever amount remains would be purchase of machinery. So 2, 60, 70, 80, 87, 89, 90, 2,90,000 and 2,90,000 minus 252,500. 37,500 is to bank account, in bracket balancing figure. Did you all understand this? Everyone? The effect will be I minus. It is investing activities outflow. Okay, purchase of machinery is investing activities outflow. Earlier we used to take it in uses of funds. But here in cash flow statement, you take it in outflow of investing activities. So all of you are clear with this workings? We have done it in the last chapter. Any doubts in this? Everyone has completed it? Now look at adjustment 2. 25% of investments held in the beginning of the year was sold at loss of 1,375. How much are investments held in the beginning of the year? 25,500. So what will be 25% of that? 25% of investments in the beginning of the year would be equal to 25,500 into 25%, that is 6,375. Now they are sold at loss of 1,375. First of all, loss. What effect would the loss have in cash flow statement? Loss on sale of investment 1,375. O plus, you'll add in non-operating, non-cash expenses. Okay, here we'll minus the loss of 1375. So what would be its selling price? 5,000. Now, sale of investments, where will it come in? Investing activities. Inflows means I plus. Sale of investment means money will come in, so it will come in investing activities inflow I plus. Did everyone understand this? Any doubts? Now, see investments 25,500 and 21,000. We'll make investments ledger account to find purchase of investments. Investments ledger account will be made to find purchase of investments. Is everyone clear with this? So, fourth working investments account, and exactly same way as we make fixed assets account, we have to make investments account. Only thing is, you will not have depreciation in investment. Other all the points remain same. Okay, depreciation will not be there in investments, all the other points will remain same. Now, what is the opening balance of investments? 25,500. That will come on debit side. To balance brought down 25,500. Closing balance is 21,000. That will come on credit side. Okay. For the depreciation we don't have. Other all points will remain same. So sale for 5,000 will come on credit side by bank account 5,000. Where will loss come? Credit side by profit and loss account in bracket loss 1375. So 21, 22, 27, 375 minus 25,500, 1875 to bank account in bracket balancing figure. Now this is purchase of investments. So what effect it will have in investing activities? Outflows means I minus. Okay, it is outflow of investing activities. Did everyone understand this? Now, no need to do any markings in the above information because machinery we have made the ledger account. Accumulated depreciation, if you make the ledger account, what would you get from that? Current year's depreciation. But what is its effect? O plus non-cash expense, so we don't need it, no need to waste the time. If full cash flow statement was asked, then we would have made one more working of accumulated depreciation also to find current year's depreciation. But here we are asked only investing activities, so no need to make accumulated depreciations account. Is everyone clear with this? And investments also we have made the ledger account. So now we'll make the statement showing cash flows from investing activities. Small statement, 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, name is given. Sun Limited. Statement showing cash flows from investing activities. Inflows we have to add and outflows we have to minus. In the format, we'll go in the order so that nothing is missed out. In the balance sheet, means the table given to you. Any markings of I done? No. In the adjustment, any marking of I done? Yes. What we have marked? I plus we have marked the sale of machine for 12,500. So put down sale of machine 12,500. No other marking in the adjustments. Now we come to workings. First working, no marking of I. Second working, purchase of machinery 37,500. In bracket working note 2. This we have written in bracket. It's an outflow. Okay, 37,500 in bracket. Working note 3, sale of investments 5,000 we will add it. And working note 4, purchase of investments 1875 we will minus. Any confusion with this? So minus 25 minus 25 minus 21,875 is cash flows from investing activities. Did you all understand this? Any doubts in it? So I discussed question number 4 and you'll try it on your own. Here and there. From the following information, calculate cash flows from investing activities. Look at the adjustment first. During the year, a machine costing 20,000 with accumulated depreciation of, make it 13,415. Cancel 12,000, make it 13,415. Was sold for rupees 10,000. And then sold for 10,000 Shah plus I plus. Sale of machinery is an inflow of investing activity. Money comes in. Now, first we'll make the working to find profit or loss on sale of machine. Like 20,000 minus 13,415. So WDV will be 6,585. And then sold for 10,000. So profit of 3,415. Is everyone clear with this? Then you'll make machineries. Ledger account. In above information in machinery cost were done in bracket ledger account. You'll make machinery's ledger account to find purchase of machinery. That's it, there is no investment in this question. So exactly similar to this and shorter than this. Investment part is not there. Means only 2 workings will come, and in investing activities there will be only 2 flows. One is sale of machine, the other is purchase of machine. That's it.